Hi. Um, okay, so I'm doing an update, and I know I just did an unboxing not too long ago, but I'm going to go ahead and update you. I did get my box, and we opened it together, and I found one stack, 17 pages that were missing. They had sent something else instead, and I wrote to the lady, the young woman, whose address I had, and let her know what I had found. She got back to me very quickly, let me know that they needed a picture of what I'd gotten so that they could see what I needed. And I have to admit, they went over and above what you would expect a company to do. She faxed me, or PDF'd me, the first 2 pages that I need to get started, because they probably understand how disappointing it is when you get your box and you can't start because you're missing something. And I just thought that was very, very kind, very sweet. So I just want to do a shout out to Evolve, but also to Nicole for taking so much care and so much time to get me what I needed. They are sending the correct packet out to me, but I haven't seen, I saw one negative review, and I think it was about shipping. But sometimes you have to realize the shipping is not the company Evolve's fault. It sometimes has to do with where you live, how far you are away, and the shipping company itself can lose packages, find them, and then get them to you late. But I did not find any, other than that, I didn't find any negative reviews. So I just want to encourage you. I am extremely content working with this art course through them, and they are lovely people to work with. Okay, I know this is very, 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 very short, but I'm going to get busy today. I'm going to be transferring my first page, and I will let you see it the next time I come on. But thanks for joining me. Okay, bye-bye.